guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a super exciting haul, yet another Dollar Tree haul, and most of these things are fall decor, but I did find some name brand items that I've been looking for and I've been hunting for a while now, and I finally found it. I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. If you guys don't know, my name is Phoebe and I am a fall addict. I love fall decor. So let's get right into it. But before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, if this is your first time watching or maybe second, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week. Do not forget to click that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Like I said, I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So I'm going to show you the items that are not fall related first, and then I'm going to show you the fall item. First off, I found these right here. Guys, I'm so excited about finding these. So these are the Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask. And it says that it's charcoal with probiotics. It instantly boosts purity, restores balance, and clears pores. Guys, you have no idea how long I've been looking for these. I think it's been like 2 or 3 weeks. And I almost gave up. I thought for sure I'm never gonna find them, and then I did. There were only 2 left, and I wanted to get both of them because I am gonna give one out to one of my sisters. I didn't want to get like 10 of them because I wanted to get it for like gift giving for Christmas time, but you know, I only got 2. So this was one of my sister's favorite a few years back, and I remember looking for it everywhere. She said she found it, I believe, at CVS or Walgreens for like $9. And I wanted to find it so bad, and I just couldn't find it for some reason. And it pops up at Dollar Tree for $1. Guys, this is $9 originally, maybe more right now because that was like 2 years ago. This is 4 fluid ounces. It's huge. Like, look at my face. It's huge. And yeah, like I said, I got 2 of them. So happy about this. And then I also found this one. This, again, there was only one of these left. And this is the Freeman Beauty Infusion Purifying In-Shower Mask. And it is with sea kelp probiotics. It instantly boosts clarity, restores balance, and renews skin. What I found really cool about this is that it's an in-shower mask, which I've never seen before. And it's a facial mask. Now, when I saw the in-shower mask, to be honest with you, I thought it was for my hair because that's what I think of when it's an in-shower mask, like, you know, like a shower mask for your hair. But this is for your face, so I'm really curious to try it. And this is the color, so it's kind of clear. Hopefully you guys can see that. And let me show you the other one that is with charcoal. So it's like a gray, thick consistency. Looks like that. And another item that I found also by Freeman is this one right here. Again, they only had one of these left. And this is the Freeman Beauty Infusion Mask Primer Micellar Water. And this is Bulgarian Rose with probiotics. It says that it prepares skin for masking, instant cleanses, and restores balance. So it says that it's a serum infused mask primer, dermatologist tested. So it looks like this. This is a big bottle, guys. This is 12 fluid ounces. I think that's a great deal. And if you guys don't know, I love using rose micellar water. That's like my thing. And so when I found it in this size, I really wanted to get more, but like I said, there was only one left because I can imagine everybody was like going crazy over this because it's a name brand, guys. This is like around $10 and you get it at Dollar Tree. That is mind blowing. Okay, so I found yet another bath bomb. Now, since I got so many bath bombs the last few weeks, I kind of wanted to calm down a bit because I already have a basket full of bath bombs, but I decided to get one more. This is called the Beach Bum. It's with peach, coconut, and raspberry. So it looks like this. It's just really pretty, guys, and these work amazing. My daughter has used these already, and they fizz up. They do change the color of the bath, and it's amazing. Now, the smell doesn't really stay. Like, when you open it, you can obviously smell the scent of what it says it is, but it doesn't like stay, like it doesn't fuminate like the whole bathroom, but nevertheless, it's amazing and my daughter loves it. So the next one is this one right here. This is an eyelash curler. And if you guys watch my previous Dollar Tree haul, I did get one for my daughter. I did get these before and I love them. I feel like these are like the best eyelash curlers ever. And that's saying a lot because guys, I have tons of eyelash curlers that are way more than $1. Some range for about $10. So for it being Dollar Tree eyelash curler and it's $1, that's a big deal. It works amazing. I just love this, but I did get this one in a pink because I love pink. I love everything pink when it comes to like beauty and makeup. If I could get it pink, I will get it in pink. But yeah, I got this and I got my daughter a mint. So yeah, I love it. That is like a hidden gem at the Dollar Tree. Honestly, guys, you need to try it if you're looking for like a really good eyelash curler. I did do my Dollar Tree must-haves and like hidden gems at the Dollar Tree. So if you guys are interested in that video, I will link it down below just so you guys can watch it and see what other stuff they have at the Dollar Tree that are like hidden gems and that you guys really need to check out. So you're welcome. And then moving on, I found this one right here. You guys have no idea how long I've been looking for this. They usually always have this, but then for a while they did not have it. And I really wanted the one in the pink. They do have this in multiple colors. And I'm kind of upset because I just noticed that it has this white little scratch right here. This is like the OCD perfectionist in me that's gonna bug me. So most likely I'll probably, I don't know, probably exchange it because that does bother me. We will see. But nevertheless, I love it. It's like a macaroon and it's like a jewelry holder. So it opens like this and I just love it. To be honest with you, in a way, it does remind me like of a mermaid. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of a mermaid, just the way it looks. It's so gorgeous. And does it not remind you guys of those toys? If you guys, I don't know if you remember them. It was those toys where you open them up and they have like little stuff, like little chairs, kind of like a miniature house. I used to have that as a kid and it just reminds me of it. But I am gonna use this for like putting my little jewelry inside. Maybe something else, I don't know, but I really love it, guys, and this is so cute. If you want to give somebody a gift with some jewelry inside of it, I just think, whoa, I just think this is perfect. Or maybe put some I was gonna say makeup, but I don't know what makeup would fit in here, so I don't know. It's like I said, I love it. And the next item I got is this one right here. Now, I honestly don't know what happened to my brain. They had one in pink and white, and I have no idea why I got it in the color gray. I don't know what happened, guys. I really don't know. But yeah, I got it in the gray, and this is so cute. I'm gonna definitely put my baby girl's picture, and look at this. Like, you put the handprint and the footprint. I'm thinking of doing this when she's 1 year old, but you know what? It's okay. I'm not gonna return it. I'm just gonna paint it white, and I'm just gonna work with it. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything around it. I might, who knows? But like I said, this is really awesome find. I wish I got it in the white, but like I said, honestly, I don't even know what happened. Like, why did I get in the gray? Who knows? And then the last item that I have that is not Dollar Tree related is this right here. I've been wanting to get this seasoning for a while. There was a YouTuber here that uses this seasoning with her vegan recipes, and I was very curious to try this out. So I am gonna try it out and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I was so glad that I found out the Dollar Tree. I don't know, I'd never seen it before. I was looking at other grocery stores and I never found it, and I found out the Dollar Tree. They do come in 8 packets, so there's that. I just think this is so cute. So it says welcome. The password, the Wi-Fi password is, and then you put your password right here. I just love it. I'm thinking of putting this next to my entry door. We will see. Now, they did have one like this similar, but it says Wi-Fi suite Wi-Fi, and then it has this where you can put the Wi-Fi. But I thought that was, I don't know, I just didn't like the way, I didn't like the saying, honestly. But this I really love, so I had to get it. Let's move on to the fall decor. I am loving the fall decor. The first one being is this one right here. So this one says grateful and blessed. So it looks like this. I just love everything about this, and I honestly cannot wait to decorate for fall. I'm really I'm ready. The next one is this one, and I love the fact that they brought us a gray background. They usually have it like more brown and like warmer tone colors, but this time they brought more cooler tone colors, and I'm feeling it. This is pumpkin spice and everything nice. It is gorgeous, guys, and I'm planning on doing a DIY with this. I don't think I'm gonna change anything about it because honestly, I love the way it is. I'm thinking of doing like a wall decor of 4 different kinds of these and have it like in a square and just have it like that. We will see, but yeah, I love this. And here's another one that I absolutely love is this one right here. So this one says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. This is so freaking pretty. Look at these sunflowers. It's really unique. They haven't really brought sunflowers with this type of decor, so I love it. Another one that I picked up is this one right here. This says Harvest Blessings. Looks like this. And this looks like it's galvanized tin, but it's not. It's like cardboard material. It is a little bit like lifted. This is like put on top of this one right here. But yeah, there's that. And this they did have last year, but I wanted to get it anyways. It looks like this. This says thankful and blessed. I'm debating on DIYing this. I don't really know. We will see, but I actually really like the way it looks. And guys, they had a lot of yard stakes and I'm all for it. So I actually got all of them. Well, no, except for one. There was one that said like football something something, and I'm not a football fan. But I did get this one. Guys, look at this. This is crazy. Look at this size. This is Friends Gather Here. I just love that saying. I love to entertain, guys. So I just feel like this is perfect. It's so inviting. So yeah. And you can DIY this. Obviously, you can take these apart and make it your own, tweak it the way you want it. But this is just so cute, right? And then another one that I really love is this one right here. This says Home Sweet Home. I am loving these leaves. Everything about it is just so freaking pretty. And then one of my favorite ones is this one right here. I have not seen them bring this out ever, so I do think this is new. Correct me if I'm wrong. This says Farm Fresh Pumpkins, 25 cents a pound. So really love it, guys. Look at this truck. The truck trend is still going strong. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere for a while, and I absolutely love it. And then I got 2 of these. I do feel like these are like really fallish looking. Now they do have these year round, but I wanted to get them because I feel like they just are fall-ish to me. I mean, you can make them for fall, for Christmas, for year round, but I don't know, for some reason it gives me fall vibes. And since I have a plan to make like floral arrangements with these 2, I am excited about this. Now they do have some like this that are more narrow and longer, but they didn't have that, so I did get these. I think when I see that, I am gonna get those as well because I do have some DIY plans for that. And then I also got these decorative picks. Now they do have these every year, and it comes in a 4-pack. They're very glittery, so if you do not want the glitter to go everywhere, I do recommend that you hairspray them before you use them for anything. All right, guys. So moving on to the ribbons, I only got 3 of them. So they look like this, and the first one that honestly, my favorite one is this one. I just think this is so beautiful. Something about it, I just love it. And then this one as well with the leaves, it's just classic. Falling leaves is just gorgeous. And each one of these are 9 foot. So I think that's pretty awesome. And then the last one is this one right here. I did look for the truck. I could not see it. A lot of it was kind of already picked over, and there weren't much. There was other ones, but I wasn't really into them. But these I love. So I am looking forward to doing DIY wreaths with these ribbons. Now I found this one right here. So there's 2 decorative bows, and I really love these. I think that they're very classy and really, really cute. It does have this that you can open it up and I don't know, do whatever you want with it, but it's just really cute. I just love these colors. Now, the ones that I was like super excited to find are, let me see if I can carry all of them at the same time. I don't think I can because there's just way too many. So it is these velvet pumpkins. Guys, I was really hoping that they would bring these back out this year, and they have. They're absolutely gorgeous. So they look like this. This is the orange one. Look at that. It's so vibrant and different. And all of these pumpkins, I am gonna put it in like a bucket, like a opened, more broad looking bucket. But yeah, I am feeling these so much. They're very unique. And then I got 2 of these because I am really into the white pumpkins this year. I am all for the colorful fall colors, but I just absolutely love them. The next 2 are these ones right here. So they have like a darker looking taupe color, and then this one is more like a nude color. I almost got only this one, and then I realized that these are different, so of course I had to get both. And then the last 2 colors are these. They are so unique, guys, and I first wasn't gonna get them, but when I looked at them I was like, yes, you have to come and join your brothers and sisters. They are just gorgeous. And now these they did have last year. I do have 1 of these, and I did want to get 2 more because I am going to do a DIY. So yeah, they look like this. I just think they're very cute. They have like the burlap on them, and they're just so cute. They're very like simple, and I love them. Okay, the next 2 items are these right here. I have not seen them bring this out ever. So there's 4 of these white pumpkins and 4 of the orange, and I'm kind of upset that the little thing is like missing. Hopefully it's in the bag, but yeah, I really love this, especially for a DIY. Looking forward to it. And they have this little thing right here that you can just kind of wrap it around, maybe like a DIY for a wreath or whatever. And then I decided to get 2 of these glitter ferns. Now be aware, these are super glittery, guys. I'm kind of scared to move them too much, but I was really excited to find these. I'm definitely gonna hairspray them because, oh my gosh, guys, I'm just looking at my legs and my bed. It is full of glitter already, but nevertheless, I really love them and I cannot wait to DIY them. I found this one. I was so excited to find it. You have no idea. I've been looking for this for a long time. Now they do have 2 other kinds like this, and the colors are a little bit different. I think one is gray and one is white, if I'm not mistaken, and the other one says family and gather. So yeah, I really love this. I'm glad that I found it. This was literally the last one. So I know that they are very popular. I'm pretty sure everybody like went crazy and just grabbed it because, like I said, it was literally the last one there. So I think this is great quality. It's solid wood, and I love it. So the next item is a beauty blender. I did get another one because I like to have backups of these. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love this. I did include this in my hidden gems / must-haves at the Dollar Tree, and I decided to try this one out. So this is the LA Colors brow pencil in the color medium brown. So hopefully this is my color. I really love it. I'm excited to try it out, and I will definitely let you guys know if this works out in my August favorites. So we will see. I have high hopes for it. I hope it works out. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are still watching, still haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week. I would love to have you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, also give it a thumbs up. It does really help my video out. Until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.